Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning back in. So today we're going to take a look at the VIPON Smart Neck Massager. This is model ASNS003. So just off the bat, it's probably one of those TENS type smart neck massagers. It has voice prompts, 6 different massage modes, 3 temperature settings, so that's telling me it probably has heat built into it, multiple massage modes, it's ergonomic and pulse technology. Pretty cool right there. So let's go ahead and take a look actually what's in the box. So first we have our little manual and daily maintenance guide, USB-C cable for charging the unit, a little remote control so you can control actually the intensity and it looks like the heat setting, all that type of fun stuff. So it's got a battery already built into that you could replace if you need to. Here is the Smart Neck Massager. Now you may have seen me unbox some other ones and actually review some other brands out there. They typically tend to look pretty close to the same thing. Probably not much you can do. Almost resembles like what a headphone would look like. But this one here does have a slightly different design to it. The logo's up top. Then you have the pulse pads and the heating pads on the back here, as well as your power. So pretty cool. And it does stretch a little bit, so depending on your neck size, it should fit you, no problems. Go ahead, put it on, fits nice and snug. So again, this smart neck massager, like a lot of other ones, are really just for your neck. Anywhere on there, you can probably get it close down to where the neck meets, I guess, the shoulders. I guess that's what that connection is there, right? So let's go ahead and see just off the bat if there's any power in this.
Welcome to use the intelligent neck massage instrument. Please widen neck skin before use. Shiatsu mode.
Okay, it's telling me Shiatsu mode. Sounds good. Now, of course, that's the first time I'm powering it up, and you should charge it all the way, but let's see if I can get any low heat, medium heat. Okay, let's try that. And then level 3. Ooh, I feel it going already. You want to make sure that those metal pads are actually against your skin, so you're feeling that. And it feels almost like little tingly sensations in with the different modes. Kneading mode.
Level 2. Level 3. Level 4.
I'm not really feeling it that much. That's level 4. I can feel it getting warm though. That's pretty cool.
Level 5. Level 6. Level 7. Level 8.
Oh, there you go. How to make the connection. That's pretty nice. You can feel the kneading mode going on there, the little electronic pulses.
Level 9.
But I'm on level 9 right now. So it's a bunch of pulses, then it stops, and some more pulses. So if you ever use the TENS units, I've reviewed those also. That's pretty cool. So it feels like a little flick going on there, and I feel the heat. It's really great. So if you've been working out or something, these smart neck massagers, I mean, it's one of those cool things. It'd be a really cool gift. Let's change it. Tapping mode. Acupuncture mode. So it seems when you go to the different modes, what happens, it goes back down to the lower level. Let's see if it remembers.
Shiatsu mode. Scraping mode. Kneading mode. Level 2.
Alright, so it's going to drop it back down to the lowest level as you go through the different modes. It won't remember it from what I find here. But
Level 3.
just out of the box, it's not charged or not charged up by me. I do get a little bit of power. I like that heat sensation, so if you're just looking for that and then need some of that TENS technology to help with that muscle or that nerve stimulation to help with soreness or anything, pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead, charge this up fully, check it out, so you make sure you look for that review, of course, coming soon. But for right now, again, the link is down below. Make sure you like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you guys real soon.